Hi, I'm Mom and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. Today I'm going to share with you a very glamorous DIY, not one, two glamorous DIYs, and I'm going to show you how simple they were to make and how beautiful they look in the decor and how I use them in my decor and how I display things. Today I'm participating in a challenge being hosted by Chelles from MystyleMycolours and Michelle from Chelles Glam Home. They both challenged us to make something in a glam way, in a glamorous way. A little out of my box thing. For me, glamorous, if I think of it, I would associate it with subtle colors, soft gold and things, but today I really worked it hard and decided to go for gold metallic shine, the reflection of diamond. Rather, I used mirror here to get that reflection look and clear colors. So clarity of glass or a diamond or rhinestone, and no stones here though. I'm using a mirror and I'm going to use a metallic gold color here for making my glam DIYs. I hope you will enjoy them. I'll put a link to both Chelles and Chelles channel in the description box of my video, along with the playlist that they're creating for more ideas and inspirations. My channel, if you're new here, is all about doing a lot of DIYs. I love to pick up ordinary things and turn them into something beautiful and useful. I love doing a lot of high-end dupes and I love doing trash to treasure. Everything that is related to home within budget. And if you love such content, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video, and to hit that little notification bell beside it so that you're notified each time I post my video. For today's glam DIY, my most essential raw material is going to be these two pieces of mirrors. I had cut them in this semicircular shapes ages back. I have them since ages. I had some plans with them which were not very practical and didn't work out, but I had these two pieces of mirrors for a very long time and I decided I better use them or I discard them. So I'm going to use this. Other than these two pieces of mirror, I'm going to use some cardboard and some golden paper and some white paper, some acrylic paint, brush, glue, scissors and cutters, ruler, pencil. There's not much to explain in this DIY. It's very self-explanatory. So just relax and enjoy the DIY, and in the later part of the video I'll show how I decorate this piece. I'm making the slits on the inner side of this because it will be taking a curve around like this. So I'm making a slit only in the portion where this will form a curve here, and I'll glue it here. I'll put glue on the edges of the mirror and the tray, and I'll put glue here on this side, and I'll overlap this joint slightly and then attach it here. For the second DIY, which is basically a very quick and short one, it's mostly a bonus DIY. I'm using this battery operated pillar candle that I have at home. You can glam up any candle that you have at home with this quick DIY. I'm using this little scrap of metallic gold paper left over from the project, and I'm going to see how much of the paper do I want as a circumference, mark it here, and cut out this band of golden paper out of it, and then I'm going to use some clear tape, a broad one, to attach it to this. That's simple. Keep the joint at the back side so that it's not seen while you use it for the decor, and I'm keeping it somewhere in the middle. You can even place it right in the bottom, keep an uneven edge, however you like it, and just overlap the edges so that it looks neat even at the back. And then secure it with the clear tape. Now this clear tape idea is really good because if you want to change the look of your candle, change your decor, all you need to do is peel off the tape and remove it, and this is ready. Let's decorate. I thank you all for joining me in my today's DIY. I hope you like the way I have created this beautiful glamorous tray in mirror, gold marble and metallic gold look. It looks really beautiful. I think it will find a space in my coffee table, and the way it looks, the way it reflects light, the way it shines, it looks beautiful. The candle also got a very glam look and I really like it. The golden glow of the gold metal and the shine coming from the mirror and the light, they all are creating a beautiful look. Some of the DIYs here are from my past, and I'll put links to all those videos in the cards above, as well as you will find them in my DIY and decor playlist and in the description box of this video. I hope you like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment on this video, I like reading them, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon with another DIY in my next video. Until then, be positive, be creative and be happy.